everybody, I'm Sarah and you're watching Sarah's Sweets. Hey everybody, welcome back to Sarah's Sweets. Today I decided to share with you a red velvet crinkle cut cookie recipe. These cookies are both chewy and delicious. Let's get started. First, you have 1 1/3 cup of flour. You are going to add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you are going to mix until combined. Now in a separate bowl you are going to add 2/3 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of butter. And you are going to cream those together. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 eggs. And you're going to mix just until combined. We are going to add in our dry ingredients into our butter mixture. Drops of red food coloring. We're going to put plastic wrap over the dough and put it in the fridge to chill for at least 30 minutes. We're going to take a spoonful of the dough we're going to roll it into a ball, and you're going to generously cover it in powdered sugar. Set it on the pan. Now you are going to cook these cookies in a preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more of your favorite baking videos. Don't forget to click that notification bell to receive updates on when I post new videos. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions of what I should do next, please leave a comment down below in the comments section. And don't forget to enjoy your sweets from Sarah's Sweets.